Hello everyone, it's me Mark again, back with another video. This time I have Jaden with me again. There he is, bumping into my head, but yep. There he is, Jaden. Alright, so we are at Big Creek Cemetery. Funny thing about it, it's a cemetery that's private property, no trespassing. Too bad I didn't finish school and I can't read, so we'll be heading in just a minute. Baptist Church. I looked it up and there's nothing on the internet about any sightings or anything, but I do have first-hand reports from my cousin that she has seen experienced the shadow person going across from here to Jones Orchard, and then the children's spirits out playing in the yard. So anyway, we're gonna go in, investigate, see who we can contact and talk to, and see how this goes. So I will see you in just a few minutes.
Transmitting.
Here you are. Here you are. Oh, don't go away. Don't go away. Don't go away. Don't go away.
Translating.
I am a spirit of love. Oh. Alright. Dang. Why are you so high up there?
Transmitting.
Well, since you said you're a spirit of love, you should be
Receiving
good.
Response.
Here we go. Man.
Translating.
This is wild. Look how high up he is.
Transmitting. Receiving response. Translating.
When were you born? I cannot remember a time when I was not.
Transmitting. Receiving response.
So I detected an entity. I asked what its name was, and they said, "Those who speak of me whisper that my name is Fortune."
Huh.
Or no, F-O-R-T-U-N.
Transmitting.
Well, I'm asking, is this
Receiving response. Translating.
Oh no. Wherever love is found, I am nearby. Okay. Huh.
So I have a specter, an omen of luck.
Really?
Yeah.
Transmitting.
Cool.
Receiving response. Translating.
To awaken the hearts of mankind is to love. To awaken the hearts of mankind to love. Okay.
I bring opportunity to those who would take it.
Transmitting. Receiving response.
I'm sure you're not in pain. It was just a question in the app, so.
Translating.
Oh, my heart aches for the heartbroken. Oh, well. So, what is yours?
Well,
oh, is it gone?
No, I still have it.
Oh.
It's like an omen of luck.
Mine just walked through me.
Man,
Stop that light.
Jesus.
Stop
God.
it. Okay. The ghost is turning my light on now, I think. Okay, there. Now it shouldn't come back on. Now where did my ghost go? Way over there. Huh.
Transmitting.
That's bull. I get ads.
Receiving
Well,
response.
that's because I paid for it. It's only $3.99, but
Translating.
my travels have led me to many young lovers. Oh, okay. This is still the spirit of love, or
Transmitting. Receiving response. Translating.
so I asked, do you have a special message for me? It said, when you feel my strings in your heart, take a chance.
Transmitting.
Did you ever live on Earth as a
Receiving
human?
response. Translating.
No, although I love humankind dearly. Huh. Okay. Got anything else?
No.
No.
Ghost signal acquired.
Behind us. Always behind us. Okay, are you there? There you are. Oh. Oh yeah. That's a real nice pose. I like that. Let me see, can we get a little closer? Maybe speak to you? Oh, there we go. What is your name?
Transmitting. Receiving response. Translating.
Speak the name Chlorian and cover in fear. Oh, cower in fear. Chlorian? Speak the name Chlorian and cower in fear. Speak the name Chlorian and cower in fear. Well, I mean, I'm saying your name, but I'm not that scared.
Transmitting.
Was I supposed to be scared
Receiving
of saying your
response.
name?
Translating.
Are you male or female? No. Oh, okay.
Transmitting.
What kind of entity are you?
Receiving response. Translating.
I am the demon of terror. Oh, I think you have something to do with some of my favorite movies. Are you good or evil?
Receiving response.
I think you might actually be the
Translating.
star in most of my favorite movies. Oh, most definitely evil. I said, are you good or evil? Oh, most definitely evil, she says. It says, because it didn't even signify as a male or female. Why are you evil? Tell me that.
Receiving response. Translating.
Why should I not be? I mean, that's not a really good. Do you want to hurt me?
Receiving response.
It's a long answer to that question. So I said, do you want to hurt me? Oh, there might be pain in the end, but other things will come first. Oh, okay. Where were you born? I'm sure you weren't born.
Receiving response. Translating.
When darkness and chaos ruled the world at the beginning. Okay. Why have you come here?
Receiving response. Translating.
I shall strike fear into every heart. So that's why have you come here, is you shall strike fear into every heart. Okay. What?
What was that?
Transmitting.
Do you have a special message for me? That was another one, probably.
Receiving response. Translating.
I'll wait to whisper it until you are alone in the dead of night. Okay. No big deal. That's fine. Make sure you whisper it in my right ear because my left ear is a little bit more hard of hearing. So, are you in pain?
Receiving response. Translating.
That's a no. Bug keeps bothering me. Did you ever live on Earth as a human?
Receiving response. Translating.
Oh, never. Okay, that's what I thought. Oops. Are you alone?
Receiving response. Translating.
There are many of us. Oh, okay. Well, I just see just you, so that's why I asked that question. I mean, I did see somebody else up there earlier.
Transmitting.
I guess if that's what you're. Where did you live? Where did you
Receiving
live?
response. Translating.
In the hearts of humankind. Okay. All right. What are you doing?
Ghost hunting.
Ghost hunting. Yeah. I don't have any other questions to ask, I don't think, except for one that's irrelevant. Oh no, I did already ask the irrelevant one. So, I guess if you want to just keep hanging out right here, I'm just going to stand right here next to you, and I'm going to vape a little bit, if you don't mind there. What are you doing?
Thing on your backpack.
Huh?
The bug on your backpack. Can I kick it off of you?
Kick it off.
You got a bug on your back.
Get it off, but don't kick.
I'm not not gonna touch it.
Dude, come on, really?
It left.
Man. Okay, well. Hey, come here.
What?
Hold my phone to where I can hold the camera on the entity, please. Because while she's still hanging out, I just wanted to grab the vape. Cool, thanks. Well, there's no more questions for me to ask you. So, I'm just gonna get up real close and get a good picture of you. Oh, it looks like you're disappearing on me now. Or you're just not as big as you was. Maybe that's it. Alright, well.
Transmitting. Receiving response.
What kind of entity are you? Mondriel was his name.
Translating.
I am a spirit of the shadow realm. Oh, okay, well, that makes sense. That's the way you're dressed.
Transmitting.
Are you good or evil?
Receiving response. Translating.
Shadow exists to bring contrast to the light. That makes sense, yeah.
Transmitting.
Well, I just asked, why are you evil?
Receiving response.
There's something on
Translating.
Earth. I balance the world without pain. How could we feel joy? That's funny. That's what the Spectre of Pain told me.
Transmitting.
Do you want to hurt me?
Receiving response. Translating.
It is only with pain that you can experience true bliss. I think you're getting that confused with ignorance.
Transmitting.
When were you born? You probably weren't born.
Receiving response.
When were you
Translating.
born? I was not born in the traditional sense. I was called forth from the abyss and into the night. Ah.
Transmitting.
Where did you live?
Receiving response. Translating.
I roam and prowl, taking those who I will as I find them. Okay. Why have you come here?
Transmitting. Receiving response. Translating.
Where there's great joy, there must also be great darkness.
Translating.
Do you have a special message for me?
Receiving response. Translating.
Embrace both the light and the shadow within your soul. Huh.
Transmitting.
It's probably going to be a no, but did you ever live on Earth as a human?
Receiving response. Translating.
No, I've never lived in the human world. Are you in pain?
Receiving response.
So I asked, are you in pain?
Translating.
Said, my whole life is pain. Well, yeah. Okay.
Transmitting.
Are you alone?
Receiving response. Translating.
My task is best done alone.
Transmitting.
It's gonna be no, but did you have any children?
Receiving response. Translating.
I have no children. That's what I figured. Okay. Well, I think that's all the questions my app will allow me to ask you. So, if you want to just wander on away, it's, that's up to you. But I'm gonna vape now. Just had a pretty cool session, so I'm gonna vape now. So we can get this thing turned back up right. Man. Oh, so you're, oh no, there you are. You're slowly fading away, huh? Slowly. Oh, there you just went real fast. Okay.
That was right over the grave.
Really? That's weird. I mean, why would you put it right over a grave?
The chair?
Yeah.
I don't know, but it was.
That's why I said that's weird. Ask another question? I already asked you all your questions. That's what I thought. All right. I really just like getting footage of them, you know what I mean? I mean, I can't help it. Just wanted to show you, he's still here. Took a little vape break, and he's still hanging out. Andrio, that was his name, right?
Yeah.
Like you remember, huh?
Mm-hmm.
My name is Katrina, but everyone calls me Kitty. Well, come back, Kitty. I'm to get a good look at you. Where'd you go? You're like... You should be like right there. Whoa, 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 whoa! Don't go so fast. Don't go so fast. Wait. I'm trying to look at how pretty you are. Come back. Don't play this kind of game. Okay, Kitty. So, what kind of entity are you, Kitty?
Receiving
Probably
response.
just a ghost. That's probably what she's gonna say.
Translating.
I think I'm a ghost, aren't I? Yeah, probably. A tricky ghost, because you won't let me capture you. Come on. Come on back. Are you good or evil?
Receiving response. Translating.
Oh, honey, I may not be perfect, but I wouldn't hurt a fly. Oh, well, that's sweet. Huh. We got one of those TikTok ghosts. They won't show their face. Or OnlyFans, whatever they, you know.
Transmitting.
Do you want to hurt me?
Receiving response. Translating.
I would never. That's good to know. Because I would never hurt you.
Transmitting. Receiving response.
I wish you'd come back so I could see you.
Translating.
I was born in 1948. That's the same year as my mom. That is so cool. Huh. The same year as my mom. Where did you live?
Receiving response. Translating.
Where did you live? I was raised in Missouri but moved out to Hollywood when I turned 18. Uh-huh. Yep. That's exactly why you're acting like a OnlyFans girl, not wanting to let us see you. Well, how did you die?
Transmitting.
Was it a gruesome death? I hope not.
Receiving response.
It kind of looked like it might have been a little bit sketchy. Oh, here we go. Here we go, guys. Holy smoke.
Translating.
So I said, how did you die? Some men promised the moon, but behind closed doors, they ain't very nice. Paul was nice as could be to your face, but if he has a drink in hand, things could get real dangerous real quick. Huh. Okay.
Transmitting. Receiving response.
I should come back over here where I can see it.
Translating.
I guess I didn't know where else to go. All right, well. Yep, GoPro stopper. My name has long been lost from memory. Oh, well. Wow.
Transmitting.
Are you male or female?
Receiving
Hey,
response.
don't shine your light directly at the thing, okay?
Translating.
I am neither. Well, I guess because you're a skeleton, that thing was Are you an entity? What kind of entity are you?
Receiving response.
What are you doing back there?
Translating.
I'm a spirit being. I belong to the Archon, a mighty spiritual force. Oh, cool. Okay. Are you good or evil?
Receiving response.
Where'd you just go? Oh.
Translating.
So are you good or evil? Some trapped in the world of material things may see my task as evil. Oh, okay. So, why have you come here then? Come back.
Receiving response.
Come back. I was trying to ask a question. Oh, there you are. What, you just walked right there. You're again. What are you doing? Oh, come on. You're walking through me now. There you are. Wow. That hard one to pin down, huh? Are you jogging? What's up? I'm not running. If you see me running, you better run too, because that means something's coming. I'm just saying. Something big and bad. Okay. Hello everyone. I forgot to do an ending video for the Big Creek Cemetery. So that's what this is, the ending video for that. Had a pretty good time. Had some visuals and some things. Got to talk to a few entities. It was pretty cool. This is going to wrap that video up, but I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, please like and subscribe. Mention it to your friends, and I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.